Are you tired of soups that are bland and boring? Today we're gonna make a soup that is packed with flavors and is also nourishing and ready in about 30 minutes. You just need a few simple ingredients, and it's actually a humble recipe that I was making in Italy all the time. And we're gonna start by making the soffritto. Soffritto is the aromatic base of most of our Italian recipe, and it gives to the dish this aroma and flavor that we're looking for. We're gonna start by slicing the onion, carrot, and celery. We're gonna heat some oil, and then we're gonna add our soffritto and we're gonna cook it until soft. When they're nice and soft, we're gonna add 2 bay leaves and the rosemary, just for 2 minutes. Now, to add a rich savory depth to the soup, we're gonna add the tomato paste. We have created the perfect flavorful base for our soup, and now we're gonna add our main ingredient, the lentils, and then you have 2 options. You can add vegetable broth, or the second option, and the one that I'm choosing, is adding miso with the water. Okay, now we're gonna cook the lentils with the lid on for about 20 minutes. The best way for me to have a soup is with broken spaghetti. So we're gonna break the spaghetti and we're gonna add it to the lentils and to the soup, and we're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. A drizzle of olive oil on top is non-negotiable. And now let's taste it. It is super weird because in Italy, yes, we eat a lot of legumes, but about lentils, we eat them mostly as a tradition last day of the year. But instead, I think we should eat them more often. I mean, I actually eat them quite often, but in general. So I love them. They're tasty, they're amazing, and they work perfectly with a soup. And let me know if you're gonna try it out, and let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe. And well, thanks today for sharing your time with me, and see you next time, okay? Ciao, ciao.